Hey guys, it's Hannah, and today I am going to be cleaning my room and organizing everything and designing a little frame photo wall on this wall over here. Sorry about the noise, my dad is doing the dishes, so ignore that. But basically I went to Marshalls and Ace and I picked up some stuff to make like a little photo wall, and my room is also really messy, so I have to clean that. My boyfriend actually goes away to school, so I went to visit him this weekend and we saw Cody Co and Noelle, so I have my little shirt from that. It was really funny. They're super nice and really cool. We didn't like do the meet and greet or anything, but they were just like really nice. So anyways, I'm back and I have like a lot of stuff that I have to put away, like in my closet or whatever. And I just have like so much stuff like on my desk and on my bed, like it's literally embarrassing. Here's my bed. I have to put all that away. I have everything over here. Yes, I like slime. I'm 3 years old, but don't judge me. Bed is really messy, like my floor, I don't even want to talk about it. So I figured before I start cleaning everything, I would show you what I got from Marshalls. So I spent $55.36 on everything. I got some frames and I also got this wallet. Let me show you guys, it's so cool. My wallet now is like open. This is my wallet now. It's this one from Jones, New York. I ordered it off Poshmark. It came with a bag. It was like new with tags. But I've had it for a couple of months now. I got like nail glue on it, and it's just like super weathered and stuff. Like the corners are all creased and everything, and I don't know. I just wanted a new look. It's also like kind of clunky. So I ended up getting this one from DKNY. Guys, it was normally $128. I don't know if you could see that. And I literally got it for $24. 24. So yeah, I like how this one opens up like this. I feel like originally I didn't want one like this because I liked how this one opened up like that, but now I feel like that's just kind of extra. So like I feel like it was just easy to get my money, put my cards away, and like changing stuff. So we got this one because that was the one thing that was like a little bit more expensive. That's what made my price tag go up. But let me show you some of the stuff that I got to decorate that wall. So I have that one piece that was also from Marshalls. It's like this little cactus thing. I'll show you guys better later. And then I have this picture frame from Marshalls. This is the Sheffield Home, I don't know. It's just like this little white kind of distressed frame. It was $3.99. Then I also got this one. It's this kind of like antique gold looking one. That one was $4.99. Then I got this like wide one. It's just kind of this distressed gray with white. This one was $4.99, so I really liked that. I went to Ace, got some command strips and hooks to hang those. I also got, this is the Star. I got this letterboard. It was only $12.99, which I feel like was pretty good. So basically it's just this like dark wood, and then it has like however many letters, and then you can just say whatever you want on it. I don't know what I'm going to put on it yet, but we'll see. I just thought it was really cool. Alright, so now that I showed you everything, let's get cleaning. We really need to. Alright, so my bed is all made. I had to put my hair up, I was like sweating. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna have to move like all this stuff when I actually have to hang everything, which I'm gonna start now. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one down. This one I already have hung up with like stuff. Now I'll be able to show you. So obviously it's glass, but it has these little like hand painted cacti on them. Then it has this cute wood border. So this is the one thing that I already have that's gonna go back up. So we have the first one up. It looks decently straight, so that's all that matters. I feel like it should go there, right? Great talk, guys. Thanks for answering. So I have went ahead, and put the pictures in the frames. I had like a whole thing of a bunch of like square photos, but I don't know where they are, so I had to like take some really like old ones from high school. But it's alright, they're still cute pictures. So I put them in these two. This one actually had like a kind of cool insert in it already, so I'm actually not even gonna add anything to this one. My friend like made me this for my birthday. It's like a little H that she cut like out of a book, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe that would like fill up the space a little. Alright, so finally 4,000 years later, we have completed the sign. I hung up these pictures, this little like book H thing. I put my little sign, I said be happy. Thought that was really cute. Here's like a little overall, don't mind the messy bed, I have to clean that again. But here's this. I feel like eventually I could add more stuff, but for now I like it just like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the montage. It literally took forever to do this, so I am happy with the way it came out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this little sign and cleaning my room and everything like that. It took a really long time, but I figured I'd do something a little bit more kind of vlog style. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want me to make more videos like this, then stay tuned. So here is my puppy, Leo. He's actually not a puppy. He is 13. He's a cockapoo, and he's really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!